Commander morning. Commander, you see ukuthi ekseni ngiyavuka nje I had to check ama results by elections, but I'm no longer interested in this thing of by elections that much, ne? So ngithi before ngivulela inkomo ake ngenze le video le. You see ukuthi comrade, at some point we told you ukuthi we need to build i-capacity ama-structures wethu as umkhonto wesizwe from local level to national level, ne? What happened, ne? Ama-comrade were fighting each other, comrade bethe ama-spy, comrade kuthiwa ubani usebenzela in. Comrade, we are going to local government elections. Kuma local government elections ubuso bamsholoza abusebenzi, ne? Lapho kusuke sekusebenza ukuthi umuntu walocal waziwa kangakanani, ne? Akusebenzi. And mawungenayo i-capacity at a local level, i-organization strength at a local level, it's very difficult to win ama local government elections. And you must know ukuthi when it comes to ama result, most of the time ama local government elections result nama national government elections result ahlezi engafani, ne? Mayihlezi engafani kufanele ukunderstand ukuthi what you got during national government elections and what you might get during local government elections will differ. Kuzohluka kakhulu. Nakho ke la ngikhona ke mina. You see ukuthi comrade, we told you ukuthi no comrade, let us build i-capacity ye-organization, ne? Let us ukuthi sifundise abantu ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe yini. Let us have community orientated leaders, ne? Not for elections but for i-capacity, for i-capacity yomkhonto wesizwe. You see ukuthi ama comrade enze njani, ne? My comrade, those people who were trying to build the capacity organization babalwisa. Babalwisa into an extent ukuthi some of them they have left organization. Okay, we are not there. In reality, comrade, it's one. You'll never win ama elections ngabokhehlelezi. Never. So they are good when it comes to mass mobilization, which okay, kunomcimbi in comrade, you can come and in, but win ama local government elections, it need abantu aba-local aba-understand ama-dynamics aleyo ward, each and every corner laleyo ward le. Not ama-celebrate wannabe. Yabo. You never, yabo, you never win ama-elections ngokuthi wena unama-likes amaningi on TikTok or unama-likes amaningi on Twitter. You never win that. Ne? And you need i-capacity. You need i-capacity ya local, ne? Mangithi udinga i-capacity ya local, udinga i-capacity ya local kanjani na? Ne? Udinga i-capacity ya local soon as the vacancy i-declare ukuthi kune vacancy endaweni ethize, ne? You start makuthiwa ama-by elections, ne? You know ukuthi ayikhansela seresignile nini. You start i-campaign ngaleso sikhathi. You start ama-strategies ngaleso sikhathi. There is no national leader which will come and give you ama-strategy okuwina at a local level. Abantu abazi i-local inina akuyona i-national leadership, ne? And again, ne? Again, umkhonto wesizwe does not have a capacity at a local level yokuwina ama-elections. Awunayo, because akuwona ama-elections are national whereby ubuso bamsholozi can do izinto eziningi. Here sisebenza nge-local, ne? Makuthi you've been involved in local government elections, you know very well ukuthi how brutal abahlali are when it comes to i-operation yenu ukuthi nifaka umuntu onjani, nikhuluma njani nabantu, uyabona? So you must know ama strengths and weaknesses organization at a local level, but there is no strength and weaknesses angaziwa uWillis Mchunu kwi-subregion yaseNkandla ne kwi-subregion yaseNkandla abantu abayaziyo kangcono abantu baseNkandla. It cannot be uWillis Mchunu at a provincial level ne. Kodwa ke mina nje into engisho ukuthi abantu especially laba abaqala mhlawumbe nepolitiki ngomkhonto wesizwe yabona, they must give themselves time to learn ipolitiki ne. Learn ipolitiki yama elections, you must learn ipolitiki ye theory ne. Befunda ukuthi lana kwipolitiki operatewa kanjani yabona, because some of them they are too excited yabona. They think ukuthi ipolitiki i-social media, they think ukuthi ipolitiki u-TikTok, they think i-social media u-tweet yabona. Politics is not about that. It's too deep. It's too deep. Nationally, locally, it's too deep. So you cannot just wake up today and win elections tomorrow. Even those by-elections I got win, you could see effort efakwa secretariat office in those by-elections. It's an experience. You'll never buy experience. Ngisho ngakhala uyephi uthini ngeke uqale ipolitiki una 40 and wena bese ucabanga ukuthi you know it all. You never be. Ngeke uqale ipolitiki una 25 uqale ipolitiki una 30 and you think wena you know it all. Never. Angisho ukuthi ngithini phela isipiliyoni asithengwa kwipolitiki. I-experience count. And President Zuma cannot do the work of local leadership. No. So labantu laba baqala ipolitiki sebebadala abeke besimele. Let us build a capacity ya local. We still have a time, by the way. Sisanesikhathi esikhulu ne. 2026 is too far. You see nje setting ama structures locally kahle siwasethe nje kahle. Hayi lo msangane niwenzayo. Nilwela ukuba o coordinator, nilwela ukuba yini yabafowethu. Uphaya is too big. Yabona? Uphaya is too big, the cake is too big. Yabona? Everyone engadlala engasika la. Le ndaba yokubanga ikhundla nje udoti, ikhundla iningi kakhulu. Ziningi kakhulu ikhundla. Cabanga you are fighting to be a coordinator, nakhona uyalose. You see nje lama comrade abangungenela ama by elections bese yadliwa. Kufanele MK ishaye umthetho ukuthi once wangenela i by elections and walose, angeke usakwazi ukungenela ukuba i-candidate lomkhonto wesizwe at least for 10 years. Once you lose the by-elections, ngoba they lose ama by-elections bexabana belwa. Even at 23, they were fighting ukuthi ubani who must be a candidate. And then the guy yawa lose ama elections. Sithini ngaloyo muntu loyo? You were fighting ukuba i-candidate, knowing very well ukuthi you are not grounded in the community and you lose ama elections. Thina manje sekufanele sinese ama feelings akho. Uyawa lose ama elections. Kodwa ubulwa nabantu create ama factions end up uyawa lose ama elections. Ne. So ama comrade lawa angenasi isipiliyoni kwipolitiki ayisimele eceleni manje. Let us build the organization ngendlela yethu. Yabona, build the organization capacity, i-organization ibe ne-capacity, inga-rely ku-President Zuma kuphela. And then you'll see ukuthi sobe shy penalty 2026. Yabona. So nje anike nisimele kancane, nisimele nje kancane. Allow ama comrades to build the capacity organization so that 2026 and 2029 will be able ukuthi sithole ama vote are enough. Yabona. This thing yokwenza o life yokufuna ukuthi ini obani this obani that ayizukusebenza na. Ayizukusebenza. We need to build the capacity yomkhonto wesizwe at a local level, otherwise imukile. Le ndaba yokubanga ikhundla akenimeni kancane.